Nestled on a picturesque 3-acre lot in Roca, Nebraska, 16595 South 73rd Street offers a harmonious blend of modern amenities and serene country living. This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home spans 3,231 square feet and is located within the esteemed Norris School District. Main level features: elegant flooring. The main floor boasts 3/4-inch hardwood floors, adding warmth and sophistication to the living spaces. Vaulted ceilings. Soaring ceilings enhance the open and airy ambience of the home. Gourmet kitchen. Equipped with modern appliances and ample counter space, the kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Primary suite. The main floor includes a spacious primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, offering a private retreat. Lower level highlights. Additional bedrooms. The lower level houses 2 more bedrooms, providing flexibility for guests or a growing family. Expansive family room. A large family room serves as an ideal space for entertainment and relaxation. Walkout access. Direct access to the backyard allows for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Exterior and additional amenities. Attached garage. A spacious garage provides ample room for vehicles and storage needs. Scenic surroundings. The expansive lot offers plenty of space for outdoor activities, gardening, or simply enjoying the tranquil rural setting. Priced at $725,000, this property presents a unique opportunity to experience the best of country living with modern comforts. Its proximity to local amenities, combined with the tranquility of its location, makes 16595 South 73rd Street a desirable residence for those seeking both convenience and serenity.